y'all, it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. So for my birthday, I got an email from Ulta to remind me that it's time to get my birthday gift. And they also wanted to remind me that I had double points for my entire birthday month. So, me being me, I decided let's treat myself to a big old Ulta haul. I got lots of stuff, more than what I thought I was going to get. But I will show you what I got. I'm excited. There's some fun things in here, some things that I'm excited to try. So we'll let you know. The first product is, this is the Hot Tools Spongy Rod Rollers. I just wanted a different way to curl my hair. I think this was like $15. I don't have the invoice and there's too many products for me to go and sit there and look up to tell you. So just so you know. I also picked up, this is the Kiss Lash Glue Liner Starter Kit. I figured I'd try these lashes. They don't look too bad. The band looks small. We'll see how they go. I think this was like 20 bucks, 15 or 20 bucks. It has everything in it, but I figured we'd see how that worked. I've never tried it. Who knows? I also picked up, because Ulta now carries Bobbi Brown. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation, SPF 15. It's supposed to be full coverage. I got the W054, which is the natural tan, right? Yes, natural tan. That looks pale, but I don't know what it'll look like on my skin. We will do a test on that to see how it goes. I needed another foundation, like I needed a hole in the head, but you know, sometimes that's how it goes. I also picked up from Undone Beauty. I've never heard of them, but I saw them on Ulta and their new stuff. This is their Forever Lip. So I think one side's a lip pencil and the other side's a stain. This is in the shade Natural Nude. I love a good neutral lip, so I will let you know my thoughts once I open it up. I also got from Undone Beauty, this is the Water Highlighter in Gold Lit. So it's a cream highlighter. I also picked up, this is the Water Blush in the shade Merlot. Again, these are not products that I needed. They were just products I wanted to try. I also got the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I was excited for that. I think it's supposed to smell like watermelons. We'll see. Needed another primer. You know, it's like I said, I bought things that I really needed, can't you tell? Yeah, my collection is already freaking massive and I'm like, ah. And I've got another haul to do after this. So I also picked up the Kiko Milano Juicy Lip Oil. This is from their Fruit Explosion collection. I got the #2 one. The packaging is cute as can be. It smells good. We'll see how this works. Because, you know, I needed more lip stuff. Okay, next up, I got a small sample to try. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So I've never tried it before. I've heard good things about it. We're gonna see if it's worth it. Now, my husband bought me this, and this didn't come from Ulta. I'm sure you could get it at Ulta. This is the Vintage Lace Blush Palette from Revolution Beauty. We went out to dinner for our birthdays and then we went to Target and he saw this and he was like, those are cute. I was like, well, I will try them. They're sparkly blushes. I am excited. I don't remember how much that was. But again, do I need more blushes? No. And my husband also picked this for me at Target. This is the Winky Lux Perfect Pout. It's a sheer lipstick in the shade Kiss and Tail, like as in a cat tail. And he picked this because I love animals. And if you look at the center of this, it is a kitty cat. I'm not sure if it's gonna focus on that, but the color is definitely not a color I wear very often, but we'll see how it goes. I've never tried anything, again, from Winky Lux. So far, the stuff that I bought, 1, 2, 3, 4 new brands that I haven't tried anything from. So I guess I'm not doing that bad. Then as a free gift, the Kylie Cosmetics, the Skin Concealer, that's what it's called. I got the shade Sesame. It was free. So I've never tried Kylie Skin. Well, I've tried Kylie Skin. So this is the concealer. I think that is the shade of foundation I wear. Oh, that's dark. I don't even think that's the color I chose. Maybe it is, but that definitely ain't my shade. So that's a thick consistency. I bet you I could use it, well, I don't know. Maybe that will work. I don't know. We'll have to see it on the face because I blended out on my hand really well. And I like the way that actually looks. So if I can't use it as a concealer, it will be used as a foundation. We will see. So I got that, that was free. I also got, this is PYT Beauty, and I got the Faux Sun Bronzer Duo. Now this is the only shade that perturbs me like nobody's business. So I have no idea if this will work for me. It's like a duo. If it doesn't work for me, I'll give it to Nadia. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Another new brand that I haven't tried anything from. I also got from PYT, let's set those to the side. That's something for later I will tell you about because I buy these in bulk. This is the PYT Upcycle Eyeshadow Palette. The packaging, I will tell you, this feels nice and heavy, very, very heavy. And it looks like you can take and change your pans out, which might be nice. It says it is removable. It's just a neutral palette. I figured we would try it out and see. I do like the packaging though. I like that translucent pink with the clear front. And then as a free gift for buying $50 worth of Bobbi Brown, I got, this is the Prep Your Pretty Face and Lip Kit from Bobbi Brown. So I think there's, what is this? Vitamin Rich Face Base, Lip Tint. I'm gonna put this in my next giveaway. Don't forget, the giveaway drawing will be announced on the 24th. Now, as my free birthday gift, I did choose the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. We're gonna see how that goes. Who knows? If I will like it, if I won't. It's a toss-up. I also got, this is tiny. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush in Tahiti. That's a pretty color. We'll see how it goes. That I think was like $6. It wasn't anything expensive. I also got the Flawless Brightening Concealer from e.l.f. and then that's in the shade Light 26N. That's gonna be too pale probably. We shall see. I also got the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist because I love a good setting spray. I love when it has that ball in it. We'll see. So I got that. I also picked up some of the LA Girl Shockwave liners. So I got the shade, this is Gotcha. So it's a green. I got Ocean, which is a blue because I needed more liners. This is one of the metallic ones and this is in the shade Dragon. And then last but not least, I got the shade Lullaby. And I think these are like $5 each. I wanted to see how good they were in comparison to my favorites, which are the ColourPop ones. I also got, this is the e.l.f. Eye Primer in Cream, the Putty Eye Primer. We'll see how that goes. I probably have enough stuff to do a full face new of stuff in high-end and in basic. I also got this, did I get two makeup settings? I guess I did. This is the Fruit Explosion Kiko Milano Freezing Makeup Fixer. That one doesn't have the shaky ball. That puts out some mist. What does that smell like? I don't know. That is a lot of setting spray on my face though. Kind of smells like candy. Sweet Tarts? Maybe it's Sweet Tarts, not Sweet Tarts, Smarties. That's what it is, it smells like Smarties. I also grabbed the Juvia's Place Blushed Eyeshadow Palette. Why? I don't know, because I needed another eyeshadow palette. So, we got that one. I also grabbed, this is the Velour Pretty Big Deal Mascara. Why did I grab this? I don't know. I thought it was a good idea. I don't know. This is what happens. I was like, I think it was like 4 in the morning when I was shopping and I was tired. I woke up in the middle of the night, and typically if I wake up in the middle of the night, I will stay up and then I end up shopping because I'm like bored, because I boredom shop. And yeah, that is a heavy mascara though. I mean, it does look like it does nice things to your lashes, so maybe I picked it up because I was thinking that if it looks good, then maybe I don't have to wear falsies. But who knows? I also got, this is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in Bronzed Belle. That is a tiny little bronzer. Hopefully it works good. A couple of more products. I also picked up, this is, I hadn't heard of this. I didn't see it anywhere. This is the Too Faced Superfine Brow Detailer, and it's the Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. I love a good tiny little brow pencil. I don't need any more brow products though. Why? Why do I do this to myself? Please tell me this. So I got that. And then I also got, this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Balm. Now, we had talked about this in a Magpies, and someone was like, hey, not to mess with you or not, but that lip balm is awesome. So I don't know if it's colored or not. I think this is the only shade. So, oh, that does feel nice. Let's apply it. So it's supposed to be a plumping lip balm. I don't know. We shall see. It does feel nice on the lips. See if it plumps my lips while I'm talking. Woohoo! And then last but not least, I did also pick up, this is my favorite lashes. Now they had these buy one get one half off, and that was part of the reason why I was deciding let's go shop at Ulta for the 2x points, because I stock up on these when they're on sale. And these are the Eyelure Accent 005. These are my favorite lashes. It's what I'm wearing now. They look very natural. Like, as you can see, they're not like obnoxious falsies. So, I mean, I feel like they look really natural on my eyes. They blend in with my lashes. They're easy to do. They say they're reusable for 5 wears. I use them a lot more than that. But yeah, I'm excited for these. I bought like 10 new sets because, as I said, I buy them in bulk. So I always have them when they're on sale because I don't want to pay $5 a piece for them. I'd rather pay, you know, $3 or $2. Sometimes you can get them even cheaper than that. But yeah, this is my Ulta haul. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Tell me what products you're most interested in seeing, because Lord knows I need some help to figure out what else to film with. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is typically Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I guess that's it. So we shall see y'all later. Bye.